How to remove marks in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace where you usually create and manage your marks. Next, locate the node that contains the marks you want to remove. Marks are usually created using power windows within a node. After selecting the node, click on the Window tab where you will see the different shapes or marks applied. If a marks is activated, it will be selected and highlighted with a red rectangle around the shape. Here you can easily identify the specific marks you want to remove. Each mark shape is selectable and editable, giving you control over your adjustment. If you want to completely remove the marks, click on the shape you created. This will deselect it and remove the marks entirely. Sometimes, marks are combined in serial or parallel nodes, so make sure to check each collected node if the marks doesn't disappear immediately. If you accidentally remove the marks but want it back, you can use undo or reapply the power window to restore the marks. And that's it. Now you know how to remove marks in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.